boys and girls. This week's story is called A Young Plant. So far in our unit we've been talking about different kinds of animals and how baby animals look like their mom or their dad, and they get the same features from their parents. Plants are very similar, so we're going to read a story about plants, and then we're going to use some pictures to complete sentences to show our understanding of the story. Alright, so you should have a copy of this in your ULS packet that was mailed home, so you can go ahead and get your story to follow along if you'd like to. Alright, so our story is called A Young Plant. Can you see the picture of the plant on the page? Yeah, it's just starting to grow. Alright, we're going to read it together. There are many different plants. A young plant gets features from its parents. Remember we talked about with animals how their features were things like their, whether they had fur or feathers, whether they had 4 legs or 2 legs, so different kinds of features. What kind of features do you think plants would have? Yeah, let's think about some plant parts. So plants sometimes have flowers, what color they are, how tall they are. Yeah, those are some plant features. Leaves. Yeah, so those are the kind of things that we're going to read about in this story. All right? So features are size, shape, and color. What are these? Yeah, these are the leaves of the plant. It says most plants have leaves. Leaves can be different shapes and sizes. A young plant will have the same leaves as its parent. What plant part is this? Good, flowers. Yes, many plants have flowers. Flowers can be different colors. A young plant will have flowers like its parent. Plants come in all sizes. A young plant will grow to be about the size of its parent. A young plant will grow to look like its parent. Very nice. Alright, so we're going to use these pictures to fill in these questions about our story. So we have these words right here. So go ahead and repeat these words after me, okay? Colors, parent, plant, different, features. Very good. All right, so we're going to use those words to complete the sentences. This activity should be in your packet. It's also posted to Seesaw, so you can do it either on paper and take a picture, or you can do it on Seesaw and send it to me. All right, so it says number 1, there are many different blank. Number 2, blank are size, shape, and color. Number 3, leaves can be blank, shapes and sizes. Number 4, flowers can be different, blank. And number 5, a young plant will grow to look like its, and fill in the blank. Alright, so use those pictures and fill them in, and if you're not sure, always go ahead and look back at the story to find your answers. Alright, thanks for listening, and I can't wait to see your work.